Hello friends, my name is Hemanta Kumar Kelkar. I have brought some homemade things for you, which we can call Grandma's Batwa. Friends, if you like the video, make sure to share the video. Benefits of coriander and cumin pod. Recipe: heat 100 grams of coriander and 100 grams of cumin in a pan. Then make a thick paste in a blender or mixer. Do not powder dose. A half teaspoon in the morning with breakfast and a half teaspoon with dinner. Any vegetable, varan, buttermilk, tea, or water will do. Finishing said powder in 1 month. Benefits: all 72,000 blood vessels in the body are freed. A second heart attack will not occur. Bypass surgery will not have to be done. Kidney stones dissolve. Urinary difficulty is reduced. Fat is reduced by reducing body fat. 5. Cleans the stomach. The body becomes light. 6. Unnecessary blood particles dissolve. Enthusiasm increases intelligence. There is no weakness. Blood pressure, paralysis, cholesterol, toxic substances, heart disease, kidney disease, diabetes, vision impairment, and tingling in hands and feet are the medicines for many diseases. Blood circulation is regular.